Hello and welcome to the Mammoth Tech Show. I'm Jeff. Portable battery powered air pumps are getting smaller and sleeker, to the point where it's now feasible that you could take one with you and use it out and about should the need arise. So we decided to try out this little chap, the Woowind. He was only 30 quid, and is it just me, or does this remind anyone else of the old Walkman logo? So let's get this thing open. What do we have inside? Well, we have the unit itself. Let's just put that to one side. Next we have some instructions. And then the charging cable, very useful. And now a little bag full of adapters so we can inflate lots of different things. And we also have a carry bag, always good when you get a carry bag. And now we'll have a look at the main event, the inflator. This has a chunky and reassuringly sturdy feel to it. At the top we have a little screen, and in the middle we have the controls in a nice circular formation. And on the top we have the USB-C charging socket, the LED torch, the inflator outlet socket, and the slot where the inflator hose is stored. And we power on the device by holding down the button in the middle. There are 5 modes of inflation: cars, motorcycles, bicycles, balls, and people? Suddenly I'm getting a flashback to that scene in Live and Let Die. Let's check the manual. Okay, so that last mode is a custom mode. Each of the modes gives you a range of pressures that you would need to inflate the various tyres and toys, with the custom option giving you the full range of inflation possibilities, which of course means that you do run the risk of overinflating and bursting whatever it is you're trying to blow up, so be careful. The U button changes the units that the pressure is displayed in. We have PSI, bar, kPa or kilopascals, and even kilograms per square centimetre. Well, we have pounds per square inch, so why not kilograms per square centimetre? Excellent. So how does it fit in its carry bag? Pretty well. That's good. So we'll power this off, get it outside, and let's start inflating things. Let's try this bike tyre here. It's a Presta type valve, so we just used the included adapter. The target pressure is shown at the bottom and is set using the plus and minus buttons. The current pressure is shown at the top, and as you can see, this tyre started off completely flat. This inflator is convenient and easy to use, but it is a little slow, so we've sped this bit of video up 4 times. And here we are inflating a different bicycle's tyre. The more observant amongst you, well, more observant than we were at the time, will have noticed that this is set to motorbike mode. But luckily, as long as the target pressure is set correctly, this doesn't really matter. And in case you were wondering what the inflator sounds like whilst it's running, well, it goes a little like this. And let's finish off with a car tyre. No adapters needed in this case. Well, not with our tyres at any rate. The standard end just screws straight in and off you go. Just remember, a car tyre is much bigger, so it'll take much longer. This is a rather excellent little inflator, especially at the price. Very good. If you found this video helpful, why not give that like button a hit? And if you'd like to see more from us, why not do the same to the subscribe button? I've been Jeff, this has been the Mammoth Tech Show, and you've been very kind to watch. Thank you very much.
Oh.